Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your password in Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Kik app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on your profile option, which you see on the top right hand corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, click on your account. Then you can see the change password option. Go ahead and tap on change password. The next thing you want to do is write down your current password. Make sure to write it correctly, otherwise you cannot change your password. Go ahead and go to the new password box and you can see the re-enter new password. You must write down your new password 2 times in these boxes over here. So go ahead and write down the new password which you want to keep. Go to the second box or third box and write down your password which you want to set once again. Make sure that all of these passwords are correct and matches. Go ahead and tap on save, and as you can see, your password has easily been changed. I hope this video about how you can change your password in Kik Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.